Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the City National Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.cnb.com and hit enter. Once the homepage of the City National Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the sign in button, you'll be directed to another page where you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your user ID here, your password here, and then click on the sign in button. Make sure that you have filled in your credentials correctly. Once you click on the sign in button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged in to the City National Bank. I hope this video helped you to log into the City National Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.